Hello and happy Sunday. It is a chilly Florida day here. We're so not used to this. I'm wearing cashmere and Uggs, and so I got my iPad here. I'm going to watch a 48-minute motivational, what am I always stuttering? Motivational video on oh my goodness, Mel Robbins. Okay, and she talks about the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 rule. So one of the things I said today is just get up and get going on a project. I don't care if it's perfect, just get going. And one thing I love to do is redo chairs. I'm not currently perfect, but I'm currently willing, so that matters. And you know, one of the things I'd like to say to you is we are on this planet long enough to know that another human can make choices and directly impact the path of our lives and can be very unexpected, which is what happened to me this year. And we can't change their choice. The only thing we have control over is what we do moving forward. And I definitely was brought to my knees about it, but so in my recovery, it taught me, I went back to the very basics over Christmas. Christmas was a tough one for me, but I got through it. I said, I refuse to give up what I want most for what I want tonight. And I kept writing down projects that I wanted, things that I wanted. I'm working on a new vision board. These are just some ideas. So here, do you have a project you like to do, a hobby you like to do? I don't care if you're good at it or not. Just get going, get started, practice on something that it's okay if you make some boo-boos on. So what I'm going to do with this chair here is I'm going to hang crystals along the edge because it's the only way I get stoned. And then you know what I'm going to do? Because I'm nut about lighting, I'm going to put battery-operated lights underneath here. So, you know, when you're having those moments and you're getting depressed, you're thinking about a drink, a drug, hopping online, looking at some porn, or popping another cupcake, whatever your life-limiting behavior is, get busy doing something that reminds you of your value. That's just a thought for the day. And I'll get back to you once this chair is done and all blinged out. See you later.